After discussing about that isobars, isotopes, isotones and isomers, now we are going to discuss about atomic masses. The atomic masses means whenever the atoms are by their number of protons and neutrons is considered as the atomic mass number. So that case of the masses of atoms are nearly integer multiple of mass of the hydrogen atom, because of which is having the least value of mass, that is 1h1, then we can say that the integer multiple of mass of an hydrogen atom can be considered as a masses of atoms. So that because the mass of electron is very small as compared to that mass of a proton, and nearly neutron mass is also nearly to the approximately which is equal to the mass of the proton. So that case of the mass of electron is less if we compare to the very small as compared to the mass of proton, and mass of neutron, that neutron mass is also approximately which is equal to neutron. So in case of masses can be expressed in kilograms, mass are expressed in kilograms, so weights are we will measure generally in kilograms, but here the mass of an elementary particles can be expressed in atomic mass units, denoted by the atomic mass unit, that is AMU. That atomic mass units can be denoted as a atomic mass unit, that is AMU. AMU be the atomic mass unit. Then we going to know this, what is atomic mass unit. It can be simply, we can say that a unified atomic mass unit. That atomic mass unit can be say as a simply unified atomic mass unit. Simplified we can know this AMU means the simply unified atomic mass unit, that is denoted with U. Here what is meant by the atomic mass unit, what is the value of the atomic mass unit? Here is the atomic mass unit means 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon isotope, that is 6C12. That is a 6C12 means by taking the 6C12 mass, in that case of mass of a carbon atom carbon isotope atom, that is 1/12 of that part of the carbon atom, we can say that that is the atomic mass unit. Means once again 1/12 of mass of the atom of carbon isotope, 6C12 isotope, 6C12 isotope means the 1/12 of the mass of an atom of 6C12 isotope is a atomic mass unit, atomic mass unit. So 1/12 of the mass of an atom of 6C12 isotope is called as a 1 atomic mass unit, 1 atomic mass unit. So 1 atomic mass unit which is equal to 1/12 of mass of an atom of 6C12. By that calculating the value, by taking the mass of carbon atom, by calculating that we can get that the value in grams is 1 atomic mass unit is 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. 1 atomic mass unit which is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. In case of we are already totally values are denoted in the kilograms. In the case of kilograms, there is a value for that atomic mass unit is 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27, because of 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kilograms. So that's why by adding the 10 to the power of minus 3, 24 becomes 27. So that 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. This is the valuable information, valuable value about the atomic mass unit, which is useful for in many cases. 1 atomic mass unit which is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. This is the value of atomic mass unit. Once again, atomic mass unit means 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon 6C12 isotope is called as a 1 atomic mass unit. That is also called as a unified atomic mass unit, unified atomic mass unit. That is simply we can denote that with a U, simply we can denote with a U. So this is about atomic mass unit. Next we are going to discuss about electron volt. In case of electron volts also, these values can be given, that electron volts means whenever the atom is absorbed some energy, accelerated some of the with the potential, means the energy gained by an electron when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt, means when electron is revolving around the nuclei, by absorbing some of the energy, it is moving to the excitation potential. That potential is absorbed by an electron is considered as the excitation potential. Accelerated, if that excitation potential is which is equal to 1 volt, then that will be the electron volt. Means the energy gained by an electron when accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt, potential difference of 1 volt, then that work done is equal to, we know that, charge into potential. From that, by calculation, 1 electron volt which is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. 10 to the power of minus 19 joules, that is the value of 1 electron volt, that is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. If in case of in mega electron volts, if we want to know the mega means it is a million, means 10 to the power of 6, million means 10 to the power of 6, mega 10 to the power of 6, 1 mega electron volts, that is equal to 1.602 into, by adding this 10 to the power of 6 to this one, then we can get the 10 to the power of minus 13 joules. So 1 mega electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 13 joules, because of 1 mega electron volt is equal to 10 to the power of 6 volts, electron volts, 10 to the power of 6 electron volts. From this case, the electron volts, the values of the electron means mass of the atoms can be expressed in terms of mass of electron and mass of proton and mass of neutron also can be denoted in electron volts. That is actually the weights. Then we should know that relation between the electron volt and AMU also. We will know about this after this topic. We will know this, the relation between the atomic mass unit and mega electron volts also. Before that, we should remember one thing, that is mass energy equivalence. That is mass energy equivalence means, according to the Einstein's he given that the mass and energy are dependent, means the mass and energy is dependent, because of by giving his postulates in 1905, that is E is equal to mc square. That is the mass energy equivalence, law of equivalence of mass and energy. The formula is considered as a law of equivalence of mass and energy, means mass and energy both are dependent. That is E is equal to mc square. In that, E is equivalence and m is mass and c be the velocity of light. By taking, let's discuss about it. Mass energy equivalence. Mass energy equivalence means, according to the Einstein, mass and energy are dependent. That is, mass is change in mass and energy is equivalent energy. C be the velocity of light, that is V is equal to mc square. This relation is known as the law of equivalence of mass energy. Law of equivalence of mass energy. So that is E is equal to mc square. According to the Einstein, there is E and m are dependents. So by taking this value, by taking this relation, we can assume that this energy and mass can be converted into one form to the another form, so that here the relation, by using this equation, we can get the value, we can get the relation between the atomic mass unit and mega electron volts. Whenever the atomic mass unit is expressed in terms of mega electron volts, that is the relation between the atomic mass unit and mega electron volts. Now we are going to know the value of atomic mass unit, which is 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. That is in terms of mega electron volts will be, that is according to the E mc square. We know that mass we are taking, that is 1 atomic mass unit. one atomic mass unit value, we know that 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27. 27 be in SI units. And here is also the velocity of light, we know that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by substituting these values in the equation. E is equal to mc square. Then E is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 whole square. Means the E into m, E is equal to mc square. M be the mass we are taking, that is one atomic mass unit. So by calculating then we can get that 1.49 into 10 to the power of minus 10 joules. That will be the value for in joules, that is work done. E is equal to the energy value we are taking. So that, but we should know that what is the value of atomic mass unit in a mega electron volts. We need electron volts because of we are finding the relation between the atomic mass unit and mega electron volts. So that here, but mega electron volts value we know that 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 13 joules. 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 13 joules. So that here by, if we want to know the value of atomic mass energy, that is E is equal to in mega electron volts, by denominating this one with dividing with 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 13, then we can get the value for 931.25 mega electron volts. 931.25 mega electron volts for the mass of one atomic mass unit. The energy value will be the in mega electron volts is 931.25 mega electron volts. In nuclear physics, mass can be expressed, that mass can be expressed in terms of mega electron volts per c square. Mega electron volts per c square. C square means mega electron volt by speed of a light whole square. Then by this taking, by substituting these values in the equation, then we can get the value mass of electron, mass of proton and mass of neutron also. In this case of mass of an electron, that is 0.00549 atomic mass unit, that is unified atomic mass unit U. And mass of proton is 1.007276 units. 7276, and mass of neutron will be the 1.008665 unit. These are the values of mass of electron, mass of proton and mass of neutron in terms of wherever in mega electron volts, means a unified atomic mass. So these are the values of atomic mass units. In the atomic mass units, the values of mass of electron, mass of proton and mass of neutron. 0.000549. The value is less. Here the value is 0.000549. 549. The value is less than, if we compare with the both mass of proton and mass of neutron, the value of electron is very less. So earlier we discussed in atomic mass. So this is about atomic masses and electron volt and mass energy equivalence and the relation between the atomic mass unit and mega electron volts. Once again, the atomic mass unit means 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon 6C12 isotope is called as atomic mass unit. That atomic mass unit also called simply in unified atomic mass unit, that is with U, denotes with a small u. And the value of atomic mass unit is 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. That is the value of one atomic mass unit.